All right, folks, welcome back to Prepping with Sarge. I bought myself a little bit of an end of the year gift. This is the DJI Mini. This is a little handheld drone, and let's unbox this together. I will be doing some videos on this once I get the hang of it, but for today, let's go ahead and do a little unboxing and take a look at what I bought. And again, just to clarify, I bought this. It wasn't sent to me for a product review. This is not an endorsement for DJI. I have not used this yet, obviously. So this is something that I had my eye on for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and we'll take a look at the contents together. So why did I choose DJI? Well, they have a pretty good reputation in the field, but at the time of when I bought this, there was some talk of them not being available in the United States anymore. So I didn't want to have it not be available to me. From what I understand, at least the time of filming this, that still has not been worked out. All right, so this is obviously the drone. It gives you an idea of how big the Mini is. This is obviously something that could fit into your backpack, your get-home bag, your bug-out bag. I think it has a lot of applications. Drones have a lot of applications for preppers, whether it be for surveying routes, for flooding, after storm damage. I can look at my roof because we're prone to hurricanes in this area. Obviously, when there's looting and stuff going on in the area because they told everybody to get out and evacuate out of the city, which that does happen here. It's good for security purposes. But let's take a look. This will be my first drone, actually, so I hope I don't crash it. And if you guys have any tips for me, obviously I'm going to follow the law and all that kind of stuff, and I will do my research before I take it on its first flight. But I don't even know what we're unboxing here, folks. All right, those look like your charging cables. Looks like your antenna. More charging cables. So if you get one of these, the instructions seem to be kind of hidden back here, which I almost didn't even notice that. All right, so we'll take a look at those. This looks like this is probably your controller. And for those of you guys who build like EMP kits and that kind of thing, it's kind of good to save these electronic static bags. It's not going to give you like EMP protection like a Faraday bag would or a Faraday box, but you could wrap your stuff in here and then put it in your Faraday kits. And recently I was doing a live stream and I was talking about, I don't get big into the EMP stuff here on my channel, but a lot of people in the prepping community do. If you are building an EMP kit, obviously some things that you would want to put in there that would give you some tactical advantages in the aftermath of like an EMP or a really bad coronal mass ejection would be maybe a drone, maybe some night vision equipment, maybe comms, maybe rechargeable flashlights, a little mini solar panel, and some power banks, and obviously like a backup phone that has like, you know, all of your PDF docs on survival and foraging, things like that. That's going to give you a lot of capability, and you could store all that in a pretty small package, right? So like even just looking at this again, like this is not taking up a lot of space. Okay, on the inside of the package, there's a QR code that I'm to use first to install the app and also to watch video tutorials, and I believe the user manual is actually available online as well. All right, so there's your quick starting guide. Looks like we got some directions in foreign languages. Definitely need to know the laws in your area about where and when you can fly. And for some drones, especially the bigger ones, you need to register them. Again, laws are subject to change. Make sure you are staying up to date on all that stuff. So this is the Mini 4K. And again, looks like this is mostly foreign languages, instructions, and information. Safety guidelines. So it looks like what I'm going to need to do is scan that QR code, watch the instructional videos, use the quick start guide, and then start to put some of this stuff together. All right, so it looks like these guys come out first. There we go. All right, and then these guys pop back. And then there's your camera, obviously. Cool. And and I'm not going to pull anything out or turn any buttons on until I've had a chance to play around with this and read all the instructions and everything. But looks like everything that's supposed to be here is here. We got some replacement propellers. Cool. And I also went ahead and picked up a extra battery. So just because these things tend to be proprietary, and if they have a hard time importing these because of some debates that are going on right now, I wanted to have at least one backup battery. All right, so I'll put a link for this in the description down below. Again, this is not a paid review or paid unboxing for DJI. This is something I bought on my own. I'm going to be using it in some videos for the channel, obviously, but it also has some applications for the prepper community, I believe, for, you know, scouting out areas and trails, storm damage, looting, flooding, areas that you kind of can't get through. So I definitely will be getting some good use out of this. But this is the initial unboxing, and stay with me throughout 2026. And stay with me as I learn to use this and get some cool shots with it. And I hope that I don't end up crashing it into something, all right? And I want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor for this video today. This week's video, again, is sponsored by AppMax. You know, one of the things that I really love about silver and gold as a prepper is that it is one of the most anonymous forms of currency in the world. Did you know that right now, somebody somewhere in the world is using silver and gold to get out of a war zone and taking their silver and gold into a new country and exchanging it anonymously for the new form of currency? Silver and gold is the only form of financial currency that has survived collapse of empire after empire for thousands of years. Folks, I've been partnered with AppMax for a few years now, and I'm really happy to endorse them as a brand. Really excited to be able to talk to you about them whenever I get the chance. I've ordered from AppMax myself for years, always get exactly what I've ordered. It's always shipped discreetly, so it's not broadcast to the delivery driver what exactly is in the package, so there's no security risks there for me. I've been super happy with them, and I know numerous people in my audience have used them, and they've also been really happy with the results. So in my opinion, it is the safest, most reliable way to order silver and gold online. You can always check them out using my link that I'm going to put on the screen right now, and that helps me out because it tells them that I've been a good brand partner with them when people use my affiliate link. It's no extra cost to you, and I'm actually not getting a specific commission when you use that link, but it does tell them that I'm being a good brand partner for them, okay? So please check them out and tell them Prepping with Sarge sent you. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed that. Please stay tuned as I learn more about flying this DJI Mini, and I hope to have a lot of fun with this. I hope you guys enjoy the journey with me as I try to figure this thing out and hopefully not destroy it in the process, all right? Keep planting your seeds, keep stacking your silver. This is Prepping with Sarge.